The journey to the Supreme Court began at the various tribunals where all three appeals were dismissed for lack of merit. And then it proceeded to the Appellate Court, which also agreed with the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal in Delta, Oyo and Yobe states, respectively. The defendants then brought their cases to the Apex Court, which is the final court of decision. And what has become the usual in recent times, the parties in the suits adopted their briefs as their arguments, after which the 7-man panel of justices, led by Justice Walter Onogene, retired for a 45-minute break to write their judgment and come back with a decision on the different appeals. And in less than 15 minutes, the panel delivered a unanimous judgment dismissing all three appeals for lack of merit.
All the courts, the Tribunal, the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court have held in unison that there was no merit and there is still no merit in the petition. And that, to my mind, the petition ought not to have been filed. I think that's the message the Supreme Court has passed to each and every one of us.
From the Tribunal to the Court of Appeal and to the Supreme Court, it was the same song of victory. So we have to be very grateful and appreciative of that fact that these are concurrent findings which has been affirmed by the Supreme Court. So they were not out of place. And it has gone to throw more light on part of our jurisprudence, and that consistency is very commendable.
As lawyers, it is our understanding that the Supreme Court has only reaffirmed the position of the law, especially with regards to the Electoral Act, and nothing has changed.
And this is the reaction from the council to the Labour Party candidate in Delta State, Mr. Great Ogboru, and that of the Accord Party in Oyo State.
For now, we accept the finality of the matter, and I believe my client does too.
The law is evolving. I wish that my client had won today. That's Rashid Ladoja. But he's not winning today, but he will win some other day.
As expected in a situation such as this one, someone and others lost. The Apex Court has promised to deliver reasons why they gave their judgment unanimously in favor of the governors of Delta, Oyo and Yobe states. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.